You can make some serious money on Twitter as long as you stay committed and consistent in building your account. Twitter is one of the biggest social media platforms out there and a good place to make money. There are lots of marketers already making money off Twitter, so it can be a bit tough to stand out of the crowd. But the good news is, with the right strategy, you can start making money in no time. In this video, I'll show you some simple ways you can make money on Twitter, and before the video ends, you get to know some important resources to help you earn more money. Don't skip any part of this video so that you don't miss the secret. Some of the simple ways to make money on Twitter are through affiliate marketing, building and selling email lists, becoming a ghost writer, promoting businesses, posting sponsored tweets, earning monthly revenue with super follows, etc. There are lots more ways, but these are some of the ways. But before we get into the details, these are the things that I want you to remember. They are very important. One, you need to create a professional profile so that when people visit your profile on Twitter, they get to know that they are dealing with a trusted person, a professional person that they can entrust their businesses or their services into. So it is very important to build a great and a professional Twitter profile. So that is one important thing that I want you to always remember. Once you set yourself forward to make money on Twitter, it is very important. Two, grow your Twitter following. There are different ways in growing your Twitter following, but the best way is to provide value so that people will fall in love with what you do and follow you. So this is very important. There are different ways, but make sure you are not using the wrong ways that can have an effect, a negative effect on your profile or your Twitter account. I'll do a video on how you can grow your Twitter following organically and the best way so that you can make lots of money from Twitter. And the third thing, which is most important, is provide value. So once you provide them value to humanity, they will always come back to your profile and consume the quality content that you providing. So keep in mind that you always provide quality content and trusted content so that your followers will always come back, or even people who chance on your profile by accident will stay and stick. By doing this, you'll be on the right path to make money on Twitter. So now let's get into the details of making money on Twitter. After setting up a professional Twitter profile and getting some enough amount of following, you can get some companies who be interested in promoting their products and services, contacting you. And this is a great way to make money on Twitter. There is a service that can help you find interested companies and institutions who want to promote their products and services. And this is a great platform. And that platform is sponsored tweets. This is a tool that connects influencers to companies and institutions and help them make money. So when you come to this platform, your simple task is to join as an influencer, because that is how you want to make money. So you're going to join as an influencer. You click on join this network, and there is a simple process for joining this. First, you need to fill out your account profile, add your connections. So it is not just Twitter. You can add all your other social media network accounts or connections, and you'll be a part of this network. You build your profile, and that is all. So many people are using this service and they are making lots of money. So you can join with your free profile and you start making money by posting sponsored tweets. This is one way of making money on Twitter, and it's very simple and straightforward. Sharing affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is one important way so many people make money on Twitter, and you can also join. So the best secret is to find the best working affiliate network and join, or affiliate programs to promote. And I want you to check out this short video where I was talking about some important and best affiliate programs that you can make money of. Let's look at this video and we'll come back to show you some secrets on how you can use those affiliate networks to make money on Twitter. Let's look at some top paying affiliate networks that can help you make money. 1. ShareASale. It is one of the fastest growing affiliate marketing platforms that empower partnership to drive results. The network provides custom tools to help you promote brands and products more effectively and convert sales faster. ShareASale affiliate network provides the right tools to drive conversions and propel even the most difficult partnerships to success. They have lots of programs in different niches to join, promote, and make money. To join this network, you have to go to sign up, click on affiliate sign up, follow the steps provided by filling the form and creating your account. You have lots of products and services to promote on Telegram and make money. So visit ShareASale.com. 2. Fiverr Affiliate Program. This is a great avenue to make money by promoting services and products for extra cash. Fiverr comes with great tools to help you in your marketing. It is very easy to join and it is free of charge. To join, you have to visit Fiverr.com. Click on affiliate, click on join and fill the form. Check the video description for link to Fiverr affiliate to sign up after this video. It is very simple and free of charge. You don't have to pay any money. There are different and countless number of services that you can take advantage of. 3. Amazon Associates. This is one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. The Amazon Associates program helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic. With millions of products and programs available on Amazon, associates use easy link building tools to direct their audience to their recommendations and earn from qualifying purchases and programs. So this is for you. You can get so many products and programs to share on Telegram and make money. It is very easy. All you have to do is sign up, recommend, and earn. There are others like eBay, CJ.com, and etc. So remember, these are platforms for affiliate programs or for you to get affiliate links and promote. And remember that Twitter is also a tool. So it's up to you to make a good use of these tools that are at your disposal. So why don't you go ahead, sign up on all these networks, try them out, and start promoting on Twitter, and you make lots of money. There are different ways you can use this strategy. Make sure that you don't abuse it, don't spam your followers, and make sure that you are being truthful to them. So many people in our followings get pissed off when you don't tell them that when they click on a link, it will send them to external websites. Be truthful to them and let them know that you also make some amount of money from that, so that they don't feel like you're taking advantage of them. Provide that quality service, be truthful, build a solid brand, and you can make lots of money on Twitter. Try this out. Let us know your response in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our other videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.